others. I hope you all are doing great. Myself Deepa Kataria, Max Educator from Countryside International School. I hope you all are completing your assignments. Today I am back again with you with a new concept of chapter number 1, that is patterns and Roman numbers. We will understand and revise about pattern and Roman numbers today. So let's have a look over here.
Now we'll see patterns. So what is pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats again and again. Always remember that patterns always follow some rule. Here we have number pattern. Number pattern is a pattern or the sequence in a series of number. If the series or sequence is made up of numbers, then we can say that that pattern is number pattern. We'll see one example. For example, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is number pattern. Okay, here we get the number pattern by skip counting by 5. Okay, the difference between the two number is 5. See, 0 plus 5, 5. When we add 5 with 5, so we'll get next number, that is 10. Then 10 plus 5 will get next number, that is 15. Okay, then 15 plus 5 will get 20. 20 plus 5 will get 25 and so on. Okay, so this is a number pattern by skip counting by 5. Next example is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. This is the number pattern. How we obtain this number pattern? See, here we get the number pattern by skip counting by 3. See, how does it work? 0 plus 3, 3. Then when we'll add 3 with 3, we'll get next number, that is 6. 6 plus 3, we will get another next number, that is 9. When we'll add another next number 3, we'll get 12. Then 12 plus 3 will get 15. 15 plus 3 will get 18. 18 plus 3 will get 21. So here the rule is we need to add plus 3, okay, to get the next number. Let us find the pattern. Here we have numbers 13, 26, 39, 52. What will come next? Okay, so the next number is 65. Here we obtain 65 by skip counting of 13. See how it works. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 13, 39. 39 plus 13, 52. And 52 plus 13 is 65. So we get the number pattern by skip counting by 13. Now we will see the square number patterns. What is square number pattern? When a number is multiplied by itself. When any number is multiplied by itself, the product obtained is a square number. We will see some examples on it. See, for example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 are the examples of square number. How we obtain this number? See, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2, 2s are 4, 3, 3s are 9, 4, 4s are 16, 5, 5s are 25, 6, 6 are 36, 7, 7s are 49 and so on. Okay. Also square numbers are known as perfect square. Okay. Now we will see the next concept, that is Roman numerals. Okay. We will learn more about Roman numerals. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are known as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, Roman numerals are the number system that belongs to ancient Rome. Okay, it is made up of some letters of our English alphabet. Roman numerals are made up using the 7 symbols as shown below. See, that symbols are 1 I, V, X, L, C, D, M. The value of I is 1. The value of V is 5. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. C is equal to 100. D is equal to 500. M is equal to 1000. There are some rules for writing Roman numerals. We will see the rules one by one. Rule of repetition. First rule is rule of repetition. A symbol can be repeated only 3 times. We cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Let's see with the help of example. For example, 1 is equal to 1i, 2 is equal to 2i, 3 is equal to 3i. We cannot represent as 4 is equal to 4i. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Okay, for another example, 10 is represented as x, 20 is represented as xx, 30 is represented as xxx, 40 we cannot represent 40 as 4 times x. It is not correct. Okay, so note, we have an important note for this. Only I, x and c can be repeated. We cannot repeat v and l. Okay, the letters v and l are never repeated. Which letters are repeated? Only I, x and c, that is 1, 10 and 100 are repeated. Letters 5 and 50 are not repeated. Next rule is rule of addition. What is rule of addition? If a lesser value symbol is after a greater value symbol, then their values can be added. Again, see, if a lesser value symbol is after a greater value symbol, then we can add their values. For example, see, here we have example v and I. Okay, I has lesser value which is placed after 5. So we can add their values. So v has value 5 and I has value 1. So we can add their values. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the Roman numeral for 6 is VI. We'll see another example. CL. Again, the C has value 100 and L has value 50. It is placed after the greater value. So C is 100, L is 50. So 100 plus 50 is 150. The Roman numeral value for 150 is CL. Okay. Next example, LV. Okay, L is 50, V is 5. Again, V has lesser value than L. So we can add their values. That is 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Okay, so what is rule of addition? If a lesser value symbol is after a greater value symbol, the values can be added. Okay, now next rule is rule of subtraction. Okay, if a lesser value symbol is before, okay, in subtraction is before a greater value symbol, the lesser value is subtracted from the greater number. Okay, greater value. Again, see, if a lesser value symbol is before a greater number, greater value symbol, the lesser value is subtracted from the greater. We will see with the help of example. For example, see, here we have I and V. Okay, I has value 1 and V has value 5. Okay, it is placed before the greater number. I is placed before the greater number. So we can subtract. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, next example again, XC. X has value 10. C has value 100. With it, X which has lesser value is placed before the greater value. So we can subtract. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Next example, XL. Again, X has lesser value which is placed before L. So we can easily subtract. That is L, the value of L is 50. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So what is rule of subtraction? If a lesser value symbol is before a greater value symbol, the lesser is subtracted from the greater. Next, note, there are few points to remember. Only I, X, C can be subtracted. Okay. Which letters can be subtracted? I, X and C. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. V, L and D cannot be subtracted. We cannot subtract 5, 50 and 500. Numerals up to 100 can be written with the help of 5 symbols. Which are that 5 symbols? I, V, X, L and C. If you want to write Roman numeral till 100, you have to use these 5. Now we will see how to convert the following into Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, we will see some examples. For example, LXX, VII. First of all, expand this into the simplest form. Okay, so how we will do that? L plus XX plus VII. Okay, this is a simpler form. What is value of L? the value of L is 50. Value of XX is 20 because there are 2 times X, 10 plus 10, 20 plus VII 5, 6, 7. So VII, its value is 7. So when we'll add this 50 plus 20 plus 7 is equal to 77. Now we will see the next example, that is XCIX. Again we will expand this into the simplest form, XC plus IX. What is XC? It's 90. And what is IX? Is 9. So 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. Now we'll see next one more example, that is XLIX. Again we will simplify this into the simplest form, that is XL plus IX is equal to, what is XL? It's 40. What is IX? It's 9. So 40 plus 9 is equal to 49. Okay. Now we will see now we will see the Roman numerals for the following numbers. Okay. So we have over here 42. Again we will expand this 42 into simplest form. How we can write 42? 40 plus 2. What is Roman numeral for 40? Is XL. How we can write 2? 2 times I. So the Roman numeral is XLII. Next example is 57. Expand this into simplest form, that is 50 plus 7. So what is Roman numeral for 50? Is L, and 7 is VII, that is 5, 6 and 7. So the Roman numeral for 57 is LVII. Last example is 99. Again we will expand this into the simplest form, that is 90 plus 9. Okay, the Roman numeral value for 90 is XC. The Roman numeral value for 9 is IX. Then we will join this, we will add this. So the Roman numeral value for 99 is XCIX. Now scholars, your task. Okay. So what is your task? You have to form 4 Roman numerals using letters I and V. Okay. Any 4 Roman numeral you can form only using these 2 letters, that is I and V. And one more task is for you, that is you have to prepare a Roman numeral chart for numbers 1 to 100. Okay. Remember, for numbers 1 to 100 we use 5 letters, that is I, V, X, L and C. Okay. Thank you scholars and stay safe.